right, so we arrived at Duncan in Palatka City, and the boat's already, the hubs are nice and cold, or cool, or warm, but still good. But I don't know how the order of this video is going to go. I don't know how good the quality is going to be at night out here, but the plan is you guys got to guess the boat ramp. But we're going to get to the boat ramp, and then we're going to drive the boat through Dun Creek almost all the way to Crescent Lake. And there's a few little shallow spots I'm going to see if we can hit, and should be able to get some nice sized bass in the boat, but only time will tell. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. All right, so here we are, got the boat in the water like you guys just saw. Beautiful day, big bass tournament. Boat's already in the water doing good, not leaking too much. That's what you like to see. It's cold, and we got about a 20-minute drive, so we're going right over there down Dun Creek all the way almost to Crescent Lake. But man, it's a beautiful day. You gotta take in the beauty. Wow. All right, well, we'll see you guys when we get fishing. I think I'm gonna record some fishing even if I don't catch anything. But if I don't catch anything and I get skunked, I'm gonna jump in the water. That's my deal. So we'll see you guys later. Hopefully not me jumping in the water. All right, so we made it to the first spot I'm gonna try. It's actually really shallow right in here. A lot of people don't realize that, so. And they're still ripping through from that tournament. That's probably the coolest experience I've had on this boat so far, was running out with all of them. But yeah, let's see how this fishing goes for a minute. Oh, don't do this to me. Oh, she heard the camera turn on.
Why did the camera turn on?
No, I turned it on. Crescent Lake's right over there, guys. There's the other two boats. I'm gonna record me fishing for a minute just cause. What? I'm trying not to. I'm not running it. I haven't touched it in like 2 minutes. Only time I bump it is when I'm trying to straighten this out. Trying to get deep up in these little coves, see if we can get some bite off the shore. It's really shallow. These guys are nice, they slow down. Most people don't. Big tournament out here today. A couple inches off where I wanted that one. All right, guys, I'll turn you back on if I catch something. Look at what we got here.
Are you recording with your thing?
Yeah. Didn't get skunked. Not big enough to put in the live well, obviously. I probably swallowed my little plastic worm, but...
Turn it sideways so I can see it. Okay, don't run into the other dog. Okay.
Well, that made my day worth it. You know, I might have stood a chance if I was actually in that tournament. I could have got the small fish.
Yeah, I'm feeding them, trying to get them big.
Yeah.
They bid right around in the little pond there.
Yeah, I think that's where I got him. Hopefully he'll find his way back. Going for me parking it. I'm taking the kill switch off just now for the audience. All right, so a little bit of a fail. I'm going to show you guys. You guys should have warned me, but as I was coming out, did not trim the motor all the way up like I should have. Probably because I was on the spot because of all you guys watching. And the motor is about 6 centimeters off the touching. And man, after this hot day, the water feels better than ever. I usually play in the water like this. Can't wait to show you guys a video. It's gonna be a fun video to edit. Not too interesting, but a lot of driving the boat around and moving around. The best part was we only used 1 tank of gas. I thought for sure we were gonna use 2, but relatively cheap trip. Tradition, after bass fishing in Palatka, you have to stop at this gas station, get a burger. Best burger in the world. Best fries. Someone get gizzards. A little weird, but whatever. Alright, there's the boat over there. We're about to leave. See you guys in the next clip.